Hi Marlon,
Hi Christian.
how are you?
Fine. And you?
I am fine, thank you. Okay, good afternoon. In the next video, we will present your project grade.
I hope you like. Let's start.
Okay,
Introduction. SENA is a state institution responsible for providing professional training to dozens of Colombian students. Each applicant at the time to finish his schooling stage is required to submit a graduation project in order to demonstrate their knowledge. The problem is that the Sena does not have a technological platform to manage, store, and securely check final projects or important information center so that communication is organizational, product, and collaborative.
objective. Implement a collaborative portal which with technology at the center for maker, logics and information technology that allows secure access, facilitate monitoring and recording changes in various projects used by apprentices that will make use of platform Sharepoint Foundation 2030.
Tools used for the development of this project, the following tools were used. Q Server Microsoft 2012, SQL Database 2012, SharePoint Foundation 2013, Office Package, VMware Virtualization, Academic Infrastructure Data Center.
Microsoft Server 2012 is a project of Microsoft company which is a network operating system for servers and provides a web infrastructure management network. It also provides more control over servers and network infrastructure, with hosting, protection of the operating system and network environment, into the administrative tools, ease of the constellation, virtualization of servers and applications.
SQL. It is a management system, effective and reliable data, designed to make cloud solutions, provides a complete and reliable store data for lightweight sites and desktop applications, improves performance, ability and disaster coverage so that the application will always be available and all are safe data contained within it.
SharePoint is a platform offer collaborative solution as a centralized document management which manages security and easy environment to backup and restore. Also supports the suites of Microsoft Office. SharePoint lets you create sites for enterprise social networks such as blogs or user profiles, departments of organization, intranet, corporate websites, and web portal for public place. Also, it provides its custom integration with multiple platform drone service enterprise connected, enabling use to develop collaborative solution drone information sites of your different corporate systems.
Installation Windows Server 2012 Part 1. We insert the Windows Server 2012 DVD. Wait for a while time the setup load all necessary files. Once the setup files are loaded, the setup will start with the following screen. Um, Select to language to install um, and then click on the button next.
Uh, Part 2. Once you click next, start the installations, click install now. In the following setup screen, we will see for options. Select Windows Server 2012 Data Center Evolutions Server with graphics. After us click next from previous screen. Read the listen terms, the IAC listen terms and click next.
Okay, in this image, we select the partition where to want to install Windows. Uh, Here we are installing it on the ones partition I have here. Now once we pick up our partition, click it on next from previous screen will start the setup. And this process may take a while.
Part 4. Once setup is done, it will restart and start your Windows Server 2012 for the first time, then to set a password for administrator user.
Okay, this is the last image. The setup will finalize your settings. May take a couple of minutes. Once we log in, server 2012 will show the server manager.
Okay, continue. Add roles and features wizard. Select the destination server and virtual hard disks on which to install roles and features. IP address static. Nets.
Okay, in this image, we are set up the Active Directory domain service. Uh, this image show many information about Active Directory. We click on next button.
Okay, confirm installation selections. To install the following role service on future on select server, click install. Restart the destination server automatic if required. Next.
Okay, in this image, we create the domain of the enterprise. In this case is example.org. We click in add a new format, then click on the button next.
Okay, the next previous net to valid before Active Directory domain service installed on this computer. Install. Okay, continue. Instance SQL Server 2012 Part 1. Click on Installation icon option from the left hand panel of the screen. You should be able to see the multiple option installation. Next.
Okay, the second part. In this image, uh, we look at the previous requirements to install SQL Server. For example, the setup accountants privilege, uh, NetFrame 2.0. Uh, then click OK.
Okay, install setup files. SQL Server setup with new bit install if the pay for SQL Server setup is found and specific to include the pay with also be installed. Okay, next.
Okay. SQL Server setup files are being installed on the system. In this email, eh, feature selection. Entonces, features will to install are database engine service, SQL Server replication, full text and semantic extension for search, data quality service, analysis service, reporting service, nothing. And the shared feature directed is in dc slash program files slash Microsoft SQL Server slash. In this directory, uh, there are installed all features. Click on Next.
Okay, after ISAN configuration, specific the name and ISAN ID for the instance of SQL Server. ISAN ID becomes part of installation path, the next.
The instant ID for the file is NA SQL Server. Okay, database engine configuration. In this image, look at of data directories and the server configuration, set up the password of administration of SQL. Look at user database directory and backup directory. And then after that, our configuration, click on Next.
Part 7 on the reporting service configuration screen, select the install only radio button and click next button to continue on the installation configure rules screen. You should be able to see the issues that might be occurred during installations. Next.
Okay, part 8. This is the last part for Install SQL Server 2012. Um, your SQL Server 2012 installation complete successful. Look at see all feature installed in the server. Mm, this is all.
Finish.
Finish.
Continue. Install Sharepoint 20 tier part 1. Welcome to Microsoft Sharepoint 20 tier products preparation tool. Check your computer for required products and on the page. It might connect to internet to download products from the Microsoft Download Center. The tool install and configure the following products. Next.
Once all previous requirements to install in the server, the server asks you minutes to restart your system, and click in minutes.
Okay, here we set from PowerShell. You need some accessories. 2013 SharePoint Foundation. Next.
Okay, once installed all previous requirements to install SharePoint, then click on Application Setup, click right and run as administrator.
Okay, SharePoint produce configurations. In order to configuration SharePoint products, you will require the following information: name of database server and database where server file configuration that will start, username and password for the base access account that will administer the server farm nets.
Okay, in this image, you can see configure SharePoint Central Administration web application. Um, change the port number of SharePoint is for default 18, but now the port number is 3010. This ad is for backslash security. Click in NTLM, then click in Next.
Now you should be able to configure your site though your default browser. Also, as you want to take part in Microsoft Improvement Program, you can select the right option of your show here. Click on OK button to continue.
Okay, this is the graphic interface of SharePoint. In the bar left, there is home, documents, site contents, and the option edit links. Uh, you can put, you can download and upload all types of documents. Um, in the bar right, look at the site, newsfeed, my site, and branch. Um, in the bar up, um, now show the user are logging in SharePoint. This is all. I hope you like the video.
This is finished video. Thank you very much, Marlon.
Thank you, Christian.
Bye, public.